Do you ever find yourself looking at all sorts of plugins trying to figure out what can help you get more business? Specifically ones that get you more traffic from Google and other web search engines? We all know it can be a pain to get to be number one on the Google searches, wherever you may be on your website journey, but it doesn't have to be. Here's the thing, Google wants to bring business to you, but they have to be picky on bringing the right content to the right customers. It's like a business middleman. They would hate to bring a vegetarian to a steakhouse. There are certain techniques that you can do to get into where you want to be in the Google algorithm. And at the end of this video, you'll have access to a special gift which will add to your toolkit of SEO tools. Stick around. SEO was really simple 20 years ago. Back then, you would just put keywords all over your website. And what was really exciting was that within a week, I'd usually be on top of the search results on Google and all the other search engines too at the time. Of course, there's very little competition at that time too. Every few years, Google's changed, and we had to learn every new algorithm along the way. Things have gone a long way since then, but you have to remember, all they are is a machine trying to get their customers to what they're looking for. That brings me to a screenshot of one of my students, where they had a small leather business that was having hard times. So I came in and helped them double their price and make triple the amount of sales of any other leather fly swatter on eBay at the time. I'd taken the time to learn how the SEO of eBay also worked, and Google, and I got them taking off on their business. Then I had another student who had a pawn shop who needed to get more people to their location. Things change all the time in their business, but their main goal was to bring more customers in to show them the kinds of things they carry. Well, learning how to get Google to notice them, they doubled their traffic to their store. The biggest problem you'll run into is the how. How do I do it? There are many site tools out there, but we must ask how the tools we use are helping us. Are they only helping our blog or our whole website? Are they only doing word counting like what people did 20 years ago? There are lots of blog tools, but I can tell you Google wants more. Sure, we know keywords help us in our niche, but what if that isn't enough with our current competition and people actually paying Google for keywords? Through my struggles and research, I finally found the Squirrly SEO plugin for WordPress. Now, Squirrly came in and took the SEO of Google very seriously. Check it out. They took everything to a whole new level where they have JSON LD, Open Graph Customizer, Twitter Card, Google Index, keyword research tools, and an XML sitemap generator. It also scans your whole site to see how your keywords relate to each other, where you can create focus pages, SEO goals for SEO audits, a Google SERP checker, and SEO results tracker to bring in the extra traffic that you're looking for. Squirrly is a plugin that is like 650 plugins in one. Rankmath is like having 6 plugins in one, and Yoast is like having 5 plugins in one. These are based upon the features they give you. I was actually very disappointed that even though Yoast and Rankmath are the most well-known, they just haven't gone to the next level with their services to help you dominate. Squirrly went all the way with their business and invested in themselves to the point where they surpassed all their competitors. I am Sol Johnston. I've been a web developer and marketing specialist for 20 years, and I've scoured the earth to find the fastest, most effective tools over time and have been tailored specifically for Google SEO. I have a unique approach for my training and a guide to faster Google success. And now I'm putting it all together to help people everywhere end their struggles with Google SEO for good. I haven't forgotten that I promised you a special gift. Simply click on the link in the description below and you'll get a free training, the guide for faster Google success, to find even more helpful techniques that I want to share with you. Here are a couple of my students that this has worked for. Here are various students of mine that have experienced the power of this training, and Luke mentioned that this video transformed his Really Right leather business from going from bankrupt to a huge success. And Shaw reports that her credit repair company went from a local business to a national credit repair agency. And finally, Russell said his pawn shop went from a few sales a week to his inventory nearly selling out now. So this is why I've decided to open it up for more people so they can transform their business growth as fast as they did. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel now, and hit that notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget, I'm giving away free access to more cool strategies that you won't want to miss. I was thinking maybe there could be more bonus access provided to this guide to faster Google success that's already been created as a free giveaway. I will post this course in my community wall for only 2 hours, so you can go ahead and download it from there. But for that, you have to be subscribed to my channel by clicking on the link in my description below. And also hit the notification icon on here so that it notifies you when I post that, so you can get it totally for free. Until next time, bye-bye.